In this video, we're going to replace the tailgate handle. So we're going to open the tailgate. We're going to start by removing this panel here. Start removing this panel with a T30 bit. So to get access to the lock mechanism, remove this panel, set it aside. So the first thing you have access to is this plastic trim piece on the top of the tailgate. Now that these screws are out, just grab the panel and pull straight back. There may be some adhesive or some clips. You'll feel them release. Just set that aside. So now we're going to remove the back side of the handle itself, when it's attached through these rods to the latches. There are two 10mm bolts we're going to undo now. Now, because of the way the tailgate is sitting face down, you don't want to take that last bolt all the way off for the chance that something might fall down. So the last step, one of the last steps, we're going to take off this green clip, which attaches to the driver's side latch. That allows us to pull this rod straight up and out. So with the hook tool, find this green clip that's holding the latch rod in place. Pop it up and pull your rod straight up. That's free from the handle. You can continue and take out your 10mm bolt all the way, your last one. Put one hand on the handle on the back side. Don't let it fall out. Remove this top mechanism, and your handle should rotate and fall right out the front. So there's two parts to your handle and lock mechanism. This is what you see on the outside, and this goes in from the outside. Slide it in, push it up. You see these two pins here where your bolts go. The top piece of that mechanism goes straight down over those pins, and your two 10mm bolts lock that in place. Grab this driver's side rod, put it in there. Press the green latch back down. Same thing on the passenger side. Pull the cover up. Put your latch rod and clip it back in. So at this point, now you want to install your plastic trim back on the top of the tailgate. Line up your holes on the plastic and the tailgate and push in. Should be some clips that engage. So this vehicle did not come in with them, but normally there will be plastic push clips that will set your plastic tailgate trim on. You just push them in. Next step is to take your metal trim piece, the covers in the latch mechanism and the lock mechanism, set it down and bolt it down. So we're just going to put the screws back in the trim cover. I like to start them by hand. They are a T30. At this point, you should be able to just close your tailgate and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.